Sanibonani Dumelani Abushini, hi, welcome to Dumithi, itiye elishisa bhe elifuna ukuthi ungaliphuzi ukuhamba kodwa uliphuze uhlele phansi ngoba uzosha. Masingeneni ku-video yanamhlanje. When uMayeni spoke about the fact ukuthi umntanakhe umnini will not be attending when uMakhumalo asked ukuthi ziphi ingane, uMakhumalo felt sad because ethi umnini umkhumbuza ubabakhe because we know umnini uyi-photocopy yakamseleku and uyasho ukuthi if umnini bekala maybe bekazojabula because it will remind her of the days lesa sikhathi yena nomseleku bebe amathi nolimi but kodwa unfortunately since umnini engekho he has to hold it in her thoughts ukuthi hey sikhe saba amajuba manje shem sokuyisono bafana nekati negundwane, they don't get along but hopefully izinto they will be fixed because we know into zothando into zemishado nama relationship ziyashesha ukuthi zilunge uma umunye ezimisele ukuzihlisa kodwa when two parties are like no angizingeni then unfortunately bazosinikeza drama for days. And as we know ukuthi uMaqele uNdlunkulu has always said ukuthi mina isithembu akusona esami esikababa. She even said that mina njenge outsider ngihlezi ngihlelele ngi1 and then isitimela sidlale nobaba and uma badlala nobaba angithani nje ukuyifaka ngibanikeza ispace ukuthi ba experience lento engi experience ayo menginobaba. So which means that's why uMaqele is okay with the sithembu because she doesn't have to deal with the other wives kuvela babheka athi nina nje sitimela senzahlangana nibona ukuthi nenzani nobaba. Mina when I want ubaba I just want it to be mina nobaba ngoba nje into yesithembu nje anginayo nkosi yami ngafaka umseleku and I'm not gonna entertain izinto zesithembu. And it's so sad because she makes it look like the other wives have a problem, the other wives don't love their husband, the other wives don't want peace, whereas she's the one that doesn't want peace because why are you sidelining yourself ngapha wena uNdlunkulu ngapha you're the one that is supposed ukuthi ebambe lo mndeni uqine but uMaqele is like no mina ngihlangene yimi yindoda yami nezingane zami laba abanye angibazi. Ize wayisho lo uMangwabe wathi uMaqele mesikhona she's always in a bad mood and as you can see even when they were playing she's out there yawning pretending to be sleeping. I'm like kodwa Maqele idrama engaka sisi idrama engaka oh hayibo kahle bo. Mseleku was not happy with the way uMakhumalo was wearing because she was wearing a tracksuit and she was not covering her buttocks and Mseleku was like no I don't like it ngoba u-expose into zami as umfazi kumele njalo nje ehlezi ecoverile and I think uMakhumalo did it by purpose. Like uMakhumalo unenkani. One thing I've realized ukuthi uMakhumalo unenkani. She told herself ukuthi yazini there's no need ukuthi ngizokuhonora whereas you are treating me so bad. Ungiphatha kabi ukhuluma nami ngendlela ofuna ngayo uzimisele ukuthi ungangilaleli mangithi hey angimfuni lo samke wakho wena uthi yazini kungamane kuhlukane mina nawe but as for usamke uyohlala. So uMakhumalo was like you know what nami ngizogqoka njenge single woman ngoba nje ngiyayifanela nomfazi ongenayo indoda ngoba yami indoda nje ayifuni ukungilalela ngisho noma ngikakhala kangakanani phambi kwabantu uthi yena next yabona makusamke akunganyiwa all hell will break loose when it comes to. So Makhumalo is like why not? Let me wear something ithi ngqoko opintshoza ithi mangivela angingangise kokugqina. One thing we need to acknowledge is the fact that them Zumbe train they know how to have fun. There's such a vibe. They might not get along, especially Umayeni and the other wives, but whenever it's time ukuthi let us coexist bavele bathatha inkinga zabo bavele bazilahlelele bakhohlwa ukuthi konje bakhe babizana odilulu bakhe baqabana omunye wathi hey omunye wayenzani umntwana mi those type of vibes which I don't want to go through because this video is not about that but baqala ukuthi games ukuthi funny hey bavele bahlangane babe yimbumba nje ba enjoy bahleke akwate because she's like how are they able to coexist whereas mina I cannot coexist nabanye bafazi especially when it comes to my man because this is my man. Hey season 9 the signature sound for uMakhumalo is Ngicela uPelepele. whenever umseleku ekhuluma or umacele, she's like, yo, ayikabi ngiqela upelepele please. That time umuntu wakhona ukhuluma into ebalulekile, Khumalo is like, hey, I'm not having it, mina ngizifunela upelepele wami into eyishiza ngoba obviously this conversation is about to get hot, so why not ngivele nami nje ngizwe lokushisa okusekudleni before ngizolalelana nalo msangano bazongitshela wona khona la etafuleni. What the hell, you know, whenever she says that with a straight face, I'm like, I know, you must be kidding, Makay. But Makay is like, hey, ngicela upelepele. And then Umsele gets so pissed, but he continues because it's like, I'm not about to address Khumalo because that's what she wants.